Hey, good morning. It's 11 o'clock. It's such a beautiful day out. I look up here all the time when I come out. So let's go look at my tomato plants over there. Some call them something else. I call them maters. Let's go take a look. Is it okay if we go and look at those tomato plants out back? And by the way, they're old timer. You don't need that umbrella. Looking good though. Looking good in the neighborhood. Oh, shit. Temperature. All right, people. Here we are. People of the world. And let me try not to get in the picture here with my shadow. All right, starting up at the top there are the crazy girls, two of them. That one on the right's looking pretty darn good. And then we have a couple more here. These are only a few days old. I mean, when I planted them, they had tails, and they all sprouted, came above, peaked there. I call them little cotty skirts ahead above the soil 2 days later. That's the anomaly. And over here we have 6, 7. Those are American Gangster. Let me see if I'm even looking at it in here. Okay, I think we've got it. Then right there is the American Gangster, also Dream Rider. Let me see. Jesus. Okay, there we go. I'll just there. And right here is the American Gangster, another crazy girl, I think. Yeah. And Dream Rider, American Gangster. All right. Uh, yeah, I take these plants and put them underneath the this garden at night. Now I'm going to have to hopefully stop doing that. One way or another, they're going to have to be covered up because the cats, Junior especially, he loves jumping. He hangs from a bird bath to get drinks. He loves just hanging. So yeah, there's a video. I have him in there just looking down at me. I liked what Paulie said. I said he's sleeping. No, he's looking. He's watching. That's no doubt. They're cute little devils. So are these little maters. Yeah. Hey, look at this. I call her the anomaly. About 110 days, I think. I'd have to check the books. I'm not good at that. Hell, I'm not going to school anymore. I hate writing in notebooks and all that shit. So I go back and I look at the videos and see what they have. All right. Oh yeah, when I cover up the plants at night, I use this wire basket from a freezer, an old freezer, and yeah, it works out quite nicely. So I do pH the water. I haven't done anything. I just this girl here is just water right out of the faucet. So we'll see. On the beginning of this video, you saw I referred to it as the Govee. It's that little probe made by Govee. There they are. All right, I'm going to have to thin the crop out here pretty soon. I'm going to let them go for a while until they get the crazy girl up there is already getting secondary leaves on the larger of the two, the taller of the two. Whoops, Jesus. Excuse me, guys. I am the worst videographer as far as I have a tendency not to follow the camera. I leave the camera and then my eyes go. All right. Hey, hope you're having a great day. It's 100 degrees right now with 6% humidity. So I feel for you guys over there in like West Virginia, Rick. 90 degrees and 80% humidity. I'll take 117 with 6%, 10% humidity any day. The heat's okay. I work in the garage. Right, go out there. That's my uh, yeah. That's where I grow and do all that. Consume. Um, Yesterday and those days when it's 115, it's about 106 to 107 in there, and I'm used to it. I can be in there probably about 40 minutes before I can kind of feel the heat hitting me. But hey, it's a dry heat. What can I say? Have a good one, guys. Or gross here. Good afternoon, everybody. It's about 3:34. In fact, that's exactly what it is on my clock. 108 degrees out there. Humidity's 10%. breezy. You can read all that stuff. But here you go. I'm going to go over and check the plants. All right. Just to give you an update. I started this video at like 11. All right, later, guys. Have a good one. All right, let's look here. What does that say? 150 degrees. Yeah, that's about right. All right, I won't have this shadow. Goodbye, shadow, like I did this morning. All right, let's look at just basic soil temp. All right, that's the little Govee that I use. But here we go. Let's take a look. See, I'm not going to bother temping, reading the temp on anybody. At least the shadow's not in the way, so I can get right in here if I don't fall. There you go, crazy girl. I dropped the temperature gun. Crazy girl. The crazy black girl. I can hardly wait. These won't get very tall just from experience. This one, the anomaly, should not be where it is right now. It's an auto, 110, 112 days. And we have here a dream rider that's trying to do something. And got a nice crazy girl right there. I think that's a crazy girl. I'm not sure. Dream rider. American Gangsters is what that is. That's an American Gangster. And then over there, it's not looking good for that American Gangster. And then we have that one. So that's what we're looking at right now. If it shuts off, which it might. Oh geez, I got to put the. We've got a Junior.